Right, well today the little brown cat's here, but no sign of the white one. Or that kitten. This is on my way back home after my walk. He's hungry. My God, that's gone down very rapidly. Oh, what, you want more? Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. I've got one more. Yeah. Here you go. He's small and hungry. Doesn't look in too bad a condition, mind you. Oh, goodness me, he's nearly eaten that already. Our second one's nearly gone already. Yeah. There's a bit here. Here. You missed some. Here. Oh, you silly cat. Oh. That's it, I haven't got any more with me. I gave out a couple before. The other cat up the road. No more. No more. Next time. No more. Next time.